Hello. All the time, every zombie must have a brother. And after that brother faints. Oh, and just so you know, our beds are underground. Usually. But this time, zombies are nice. This is the story of the zombie queen. So, thanks for watching. Every time you see a zombie, just put it in the light. I'm in a spooky house with a zombie bear. Roar. Roar. Grrr. I'm happy too. I'm a happy bear. He's a really, really happy bear. And he loves here. It's just spooky. And y'all want to get rid of the zombie like me? Just put it in the light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please.